Mindset. It's not just mindset, it's mindsets. God, sales, money. You have a mindset about investing in yourself. Multiple mindsets, and those mindsets actually are controlling your outcomes. Success is 90% mental, about 10% tactical. Coming back is sweet. Money. In 2020, what you gonna do about your money? Money. So let's get into the second M. So the second M is mindset. And I know so many people talk about mindset, but it's not just mindset, it's mindsets. You have mindsets about different things, pretty much every area of your life. You know, you have a mindset about God and who you feel He is and what He thinks about you or what you think about yourself. You have a mindset about sales. Many people have a mindset that people don't want to buy their products or that they don't want to be salesy, and that mindset keeps them from ever making sales. You have a mindset about your products, about your service, about marketing. You have a mindset about money. You have a mindset about investing in yourself. It's like multiple mindsets for different areas of your life, and those mindsets actually are controlling your outcomes. Success is 90% mental, about 10% tactical. I was listening to a documentary when Ray Leonard said before a fight he could look in the mirror, and if he saw Ray Leonard, he knew he was not going to win that fight. When he saw Ray Leonard look back at him, he said, I got this.
I knew before the fight began if I was going to win or lose. I knew that in the dressing room because I would look in the mirror. And if I saw Ray Leonard, I could beat Mike Tyson. If I saw Ray Leonard, then it's going to be a rough night.
He had a mindset going into every fight. Muhammad Ali did too. Every fight he went into, he had a mindset. Any champion, when they go into to compete, the mindset that they go in with will largely determine the outcome. Execution is a big part of everything, but mindset is huge. So going into 2020, what's your mindset? Are you going into it hoping? Are you going into it with a mindset, you know what, I'm going to win this year. I'm going to crush it. I'm blasting out of my comfort zone. I don't give a rip about what anybody thinks. You going into it saying, you know what, this is going to be the biggest comeback year I've ever had. It's a good mindset. I'm coming back this year. I don't care what 2019 was like or 2018 or anything before. This is my comeback year. I said that for somebody right there. Somebody right there, you need to claim that and say, I'm coming back. I'm coming out of debt. I'm coming away from a bunch of losers. I'm going to now step in to who I really am. I'm going to step into my purpose in God. I'm coming back from the pit. You know, I'm going to share something with you that I normally would not share on a video. Sometimes we as entrepreneurs, we think that we need to make people think we're killing it all the time, and we're not. Man, sometimes it is so lonely. Sometimes it's miserable. Sometimes you're losing. You feel like you're losing and you feel like a loser. I know you would never admit that. I know it. But I have. I've gone through those dark times in my life. 35 years of straight entrepreneurship, you're going to go through that. So I know I have, and I know that many of you have too. There are many billionaires and millionaires that have gone through depression and bad mindsets at times because of the stress and the strain and the fight. And it's designed to build that character. But coming back is sweet. And so I want you to have a comeback mindset this year. That this year I'm coming into the game with a whole new mentality, and I'm going to win. I wish I had more time to talk on mindset, but we've heard a whole lot about mindset. So let's get into the third M. The third M is money. And guess what? A lot of people don't like to talk about it, but everybody wants some, right? Everybody wants more of it. I was a Christian for so long, and I was maintaining. I had enough money to pay my bills. Sometimes I didn't even have enough. I had to believe it in. And I was in churches where I was learning about prosperity, but I was never really being taught how to have it or how to get it. It's one thing to preach prosperity, it's another thing to teach prosperity. And so in our seminars, we teach prosperity. We teach multiple streams of income. We teach you how to take a gift, how to take a talent, how to take a skill and turn it into cash. That's what some of you need right there. Your money is in your gift. Your money is in your God-inspired ideas. Your money is not in trading time for dollars. And so most of us, we never learned it. See, if we have money problems is never the problem. It's a symptom of a problem. We were not taught money in school by design. You think about it even now. Very few schools actually teach you anything about money. So our parents didn't know about money. You didn't really know about money. We had to learn it. I had to learn mine after I got out of school and started investing and going to seminars and workshops and studying and reading books because I was hungry. And I realized that not having money was not helping me. It wasn't helping my family. It wasn't helping the causes that I wanted to help. And I got to the place where I got so mad, so frustrated, so angry with being broke. And guess what? You never really hear this, but anger is a good emotion. Anger is sometimes the thing that will turn your life around. When you get mad enough, you will turn it around. When you get mad enough, you'll make the changes you need to make. And so, money. I decided that, you know what? If nobody's going to teach me how to make money, nobody's going to teach me how to get it, then I'm going to have to learn it on my own. And me and my best partner, my business partner, he taught me, I am the Lord which teacheth thee to profit. I am the Lord that gives you the power to get wealth. And see, it's not that he gives you the wealth, he gives you the power to get it. If he gave you the wealth, you wouldn't develop the character needed. And so that's why he gives you the power to get it. So you need to get your money right. In 2020, you want to be in a position where if this is a season in your life where you feel like this is my season to make money. I came into that season several years ago where I said, this is my season to make money. You got to do it when you are in your prime, when you are mentally strong, you're mentally there, you got the physical energy to do it, because you don't ever know when you're not going to be in a position to do that. So for some of you, it's your season to make money, and you need to not apologize about it. You need to not feel like I'm greedy. All of those thoughts that come to your mind. But you know what? I serve God better with my lights on. I had to go through a season of being broke and busted to realize that this is not helping anybody. And I was a Christian, and I loved God, and I was tithing, and I was giving. Say amen, somebody. I know you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, money. In 2020, what you gonna do about your money? And if you want to learn how to master this, you want to learn how to take your gifts, your talents, your ideas, how to build businesses. The Circle of Champions, we've already created the structure for you. You can learn it all right here. I mean, we have so many different trainers that we bring in, millionaires that share our platforms, millionaires that are connected with us, as well as different courses that we teach on marketing and public speaking and sales and all the things you'll need to know to actually be able to make money. Let me just give you one thought on money. Money is a scorecard. It's a outward printout of how well you're doing something else. I want that to sink in. Money is a printout. It's like the outcome of how well you're doing something else. And that something else is adding value to other people, adding value and serving others. How well are you solving problems for people? How much value are you adding to people? The law of compensation says that you will be rewarded according to the value that you bring to the marketplace. So money is really just a sign that you are adding value, that you're solving problems. And if you want to make bigger money, then you solve bigger problems. You want to make more money, then you solve problems for more people. It's that simple. So, money. And then the last one. Let me get some water here. I hope that you all enjoy it. Hey, look, if you like this, share it and leave a comment. Let me know. Don't let me work this hard and not tell me anything. The fourth M Marketing. Marketing.